Dear friends, good morning. I hope all of you are well. And let us continuing with the questions based on the area of the circle. Now, today's question: find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Now we have two questions based on this. One where circumference is given. This is given 22 centimeter. This is 22 centimeter. This much part here. Another question where perimeter is given. This is the perimeter of the quadrant. Now in perimeter, very basic thing is here, if this part, this is the circumference part, and if perimeter is given, then length of this wire will become C, length of this wire or the circumference will become C plus 2 wire. But remember students, in this question, only circumference part of this question is 22 centimeter. This one, 22 centimeter. Now, we know that the circumference of quarter part of the circle. So, circumference of quarter part of circle is 1 upon 4 of whole circumference. Now this value in given in question, this is 1 upon 2 pi r, and as per question 1 upon 2 pi r is 22. On substituting the value of pi, this is 1 upon 2, 22 upon 7 into radius, that is 22 centimeter. Now cancelling out these values, radius of this quadrant will become 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. After finding the radius of this quadrant part, you can go for the area. Area of quarter part, quadrant, that is 1 upon 4 pi r square. Pi r square is the area of full circle. So area of the quarter part of the circle is quadrant, that is 1 upon 4 pi r square. 1 upon 4 pi, substitute the value of pi into radius. Radius is 14. 14 square. 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Now reduce this value. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 4 1 ja 4, 2, 2 1 ja 2, and 2 2 ja 4, and this 2 will cancel with this 2 1 ja 2, 2 11 ja. So your answer is 11 into 14, 11 into 14. 11 4 ja 44, 11 1 ja 11 plus 4, 154. 154 centimeter square is the area of this quadrant. Now, let us taking another question. Now second question is, the length of minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. This is the dial of the watch. Markings are from 1 to 12. That means in 12 hours, minute hand takes one complete round. That means 360 degree. It is completing in one round. That means 60 minute. 60 minute 60 minute is equal to 360 degree. Therefore 1 minute will be 360 degree upon 6, that is 6 degree. 1 minute is equivalent to this 6 degree. We want to find the area swept in 5 minutes. It means it is the example of the sector. Suppose for example from this 12 to 1 there is the arcs subtended due to 5-minute movement of the clock. So we need to find area of this sector. So in 5 minute angle subtended by this minute hand will be 30 degree. At the center, this angle is 30 degree. I repeat, when minute hand swept 5 minutes, that goes from suppose 12 to 1 o'clock. This is the circumference covered by minute hand in 5 minutes. So 1 minute is equivalent to 6 degree central angle. So central angle is now 30 degree. Now we want to find the area of this shaded part. This area swept by area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes will be equal to 360 upon 30 degree upon 360 into area of complete circle, pi r square. Because area for the sector, formula for the area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. Using this formula, we have to substitute the value. Theta is here 3, this is 30 degree, and 360 pi you can keep as it is, and radius, which is the length of the minute hand, radius is length of the minute hand. So this is 14 into 14, unit of area is centimeter square. 30, 0 and 0 cancel, this is 12 times. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14. So now your area will become 49 by 3 pi. 49 by 3 pi centimeter square. You can substitute the value of pi 22 upon 7, 49 upon 3 into 22 upon 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 7 ja 14. Now, here your final answer is 7 into 22 divided by 3, that is 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 plus 1 15 by 3. Here 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, and 1 by 3 centimeter square. This is the area of sector, which is drawn by swapping of the minute hand by 5 minutes or in 5 minutes. Now in this question, students, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. This is the chord AB, and radius of this circle is 15 centimeter. Subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. We are to find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. Now very first question, students, arises here. So we must know which one is the major segment, which one is the minor segment. This is the replica of the figure of the question. Now in this is the minor segment. This one is minor segment. This is minor segment. In this same figure, the chord we have AB, and the major segment is this one. This part is major segment. This is major segment. Major segment. Another thing I want to mention here, you also have an idea of the sector. This is the chord AB. AB. This is called sector. This is sector. Minor sector. Minor sector. And this part, this is the AB chord of radius OA 15 centimeter. This one is the major sector. So while finding the area of segment and sector, we keep ourselves aware of difference between the sector and segment. Now our question is to find the area of the segment. So to find the area of the segment, what we need to do is, first we will find the area of the minor sector. So area of minor sector AOB, that is, again you will use same formula, into theta upon 360 into pi r square. On substituting the value, theta is here 120 degree and 360, pi, keep pi as it is, or we will substitute the value which is given here in the question, that is 3.14, and radius is 15 centimeter square, radius of the circle. 123 it will become here 3.14 into 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter over 3. 3 5s are 15. Now multiply these three figures, or you can keep your answer in this terms of pi, but better option is you multiply here. This is first you multiply this 3.14 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Carry 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2. 7. 5 3s are 15. Decimal after 2 places. Now after multiplying this by 5, here multiply by 15. Here 15 7 ja 105, carry over 10. 15 5 ja 75 plus 10 85, carry 8. 15 1 ja 15 plus 8 23. Again decimal after two places. So your answer is here decimal after one place 235.50. Decimal after one place, or if you are placing 0 here, then decimal after two place. This centimeter square. After finding the area of this sector, now find the area of this triangle which I am shading here, this one. Now on drawing the figure, your triangle is here having 120 degree at the point O. Now on drawing perpendicular from this is isosceles triangle, we will bisect the angle here, this 60 degree. Now we want to find this adjacent side, and this base also. So using trigonometry, if you are using here cos 60 degree, cos 60 is adjacent upon 15. This adjacent side, that means OD, height upon 15 centimeter. As we know, value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So OD upon 15, your OD which is height, that will become 15 by 2 centimeter. And then using sine theta, if you are using sine theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so AD upon 15, and sine 60 is AD upon 15. Value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, that is AD by 15. AD will be 15 root 3 by 2. Now using these two dimensions here. Yes, students. So after finding the area of the triangle, now area of minor segment is area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector is, we have calculated earlier, 235.50 centimeter square. Area of triangle is 97.31 centimeter square. Now on subtraction, you will have 235.50 minus 97.31. You subtract it. This is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1, 15 minus 7, 8, 12 minus 9 is 3, and then this 1. So your area is 138.119 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor segment. Now second part of the question, for finding area of major segment, this is the remaining part of the circle, that will be equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of minor segment we are already knowing, but area of circle we can calculate using formula pi r square. Now again here radius of the circle is same. This is 15 centimeter whole square. This is the radius, and value of pi you can substitute 3.14. So this is 3.14 into 15. 15s are 225, 225 centimeter square. Now multiply these two values. Whenever you will multiply 225 by 3.14, we will get 225 multiplied by 3.14, we will get the answer 706.50 centimeter square. Those who do not know can multiply using long multiplication method. Alright, so this is for you students. Dear friends, now area of major segment will become area of the circles 706.50 centimeter square, and then the area of the minor segment, which is 138.19 centimeter square. Now here you can subtract this 706.50 138.19 centimeter square. This is so on subtraction you will have subtract it if you can, otherwise this subtraction will become here 568.31 centimeter square. So this is the method to find the area of the